So I've been wearing this makeup for like 10 hours, so forgive me, actually over 10 hours. Forgive me if it's not perfect. But I wanted to show you guys the BoxyCharm. So I wore this makeup today and everything that was in the box minus the lashes, and I just wanted to show you what's in the box and show you how I used it. If you're interested, just keep watching. This is November's box, and I think it was a really great box, and I used it, so I do know what's inside it. I'm going to show you what came in my variation of the box. So we have our lovely little pamphlet. Have you heard about Boxy Lux? Upgrade today and scan the QR code to upgrade to Boxy Lux. Boxy Lux does cost more. I believe it's like $27 more. I will look and put that right here. Okay. So this box is called Gold Digger. Gold Digger? Like as in we're motivated. So this month we've got, I think Kathleen Light said it was like it's definitely over $100, but it was like just over $100 for its value. And I will also put what my box's value is right here. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. They have an Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, so you can follow them at lashaholiclashes.com. And these lashes look quite nice. So this is what the box looks like. Inside we've got the lashes. These lashes for me were pretty large. I do need to trim them down to fit my eye shape, and some people have really big eyes, so if you have large eyes you might not need to, but if you have a smaller eyes you probably will need to trim them down to fit you. They look, I don't know, I'm tempted to wear them this weekend on my anniversary trip. I like really natural looking lashes. Oh, they're super soft. Holy cow, they're so soft. But these are going to be really fun to play with. I might wear them on a night out to go to dinner with my hubby on our anniversary trip. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. I need some tea or something. I sound like an idiot. These lashes are valued at $14. Elevate your eye look with new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension and natural looking length and volume. They're definitely soft. Like, I can totally feel how soft they are. It's incredible. The next item we have, I also have this on my eyes right now. This is the JonteBlu Glittering Star Eyeliner. And I put this on. I did kind of have to like hold my eye out a little bit. Like, not hard, but since I have hooded eyes, it probably looks like it was hard to kind of drag it on there. But it actually turned out really pretty. It has sparkles in it, so if you are a fan of only a matte black look, I wouldn't suggest this because it does have sparkles in it. And if you don't want sparkles in your liner, you would not like this version. This is long-lasting, intense black color. This eyeliner is valued at $5, so super reasonable. And this is Sparkle Up Your Glam with JonteBlu's Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specifically formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind long-lasting and subtle shimmer that you'll completely adore. I will say it is incredibly long-lasting because I only like barely, ever so lightly touched up right here once, and it's lasted basically all 10 hours. I will say this is definitely long-lasting, at least on my eyes, and I do have eyes that will begin to like allergies will make them cry, or some, like they're super sensitive to the eyeliners I put on, and this lasted all day. Like, I have eyeliners that last all day, but I was pretty impressed because the last eyeliner I have from JonteBlu was good, but it didn't seem to last on my eyes as long as this one did. Next item we have that I'll be using, and you'll watch me use it in the video. These are the LUXIE brushes, the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. And I believe these were actually made for BoxyCharm. Okay. The LUXIE Luminous Eye Set. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition BoxyCharm collaboration. The LUXIE Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for BoxyCharm. Okay, so they might have already been made, but they're exclusively like, this packaging is wrapped for BoxyCharm. The LUXIE 141 Mini Round Brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out a lower lash line, while the LUXIE 121 Mini Tapered Brush lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The LUXIE 111 or 111 Mini Flat Angled Brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on the cream products to your lid. And the LUXIE 131 brush is the mini angled and can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. These are the brushes. Clearly 2 of them I used this morning, so they will have a little bit of pigment on them. I sound like a smoker right now. I'm fighting a cold off. That brush set is valued at $21, so it's basically, well, it is the cost of this box. So you got this $21 brush set and so much more for the cost of just the box. It's so incredible. Like, every single time, it still shocks me that you pay $21 for a bunch of crazy, awesome products. It's amazing. And if you were a person that doesn't need to buy, like, you're not a crazy beauty vlogger who needs makeup all the time, you could just buy BoxyCharm and it would probably supply you with most of the things you need for life. Like your contour, your eyeshadows, your mascaras, your eyeliners. You probably get everything you need and more. And you would just have to go buy like your foundation and maybe a primer or 2. But, I mean, they're not going to send foundations to us because they'd get the wrong shades. But so, I think it's an amazing investment. I don't know if I could ever quit it. I love it so much. The next thing we have is the CoverFX glitter drops. These are in the shade Nova. So this is a box. So this is what the product looks like. Oh gosh, that was way more than I wanted. Now, this is not the same as the custom enhancer drops. These give more of like a refined shine, and these are much more glittery, so. See how it does give pigment, and it does give like that illuminating color, but it's very glitter based. So if you were a person that did not like glitter in your highlight or on your face or in many things, you would strongly dislike these drops. I did use it as a highlight and I did end up liking it. It wasn't, I actually put it on my whole face first, which was kind of hilarious because I was thinking it was going to be like the custom enhancer drops, and then I did add it as a highlight afterwards, and I did like it as a highlight. It was not bad. I did put it over powder and was still able to kind of use my finger to move it out. It wasn't perfect, like it wasn't flawlessly blended, but it still looks pretty good. Like, my makeup lasted pretty well today and looks pretty good. And I think I like it for like that highlight reason, and maybe if you're gonna do a New Year's party or something where you're okay with some glitter on your face, it would be great for that. Or maybe a prom or something you just want to like blow people away with your beauty. It would not be bad to put this into your foundation on top of a primer. These drops retail for $44. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone or under or over the top of makeup or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Ooh, body. I remember Kathleen Light saying she really liked it on her body. That's a good point. It might be worth it because of that. I should try that this weekend. If you were using it for only a highlighter, you would never need another highlighter because this darn thing's going to last you like 30 years. Just kidding, not 30 years. It would be expired by then. But this is a lot. So if you wanted one highlighter, one liquid highlighter, and it's just to last you forever, this is good. A multi-purpose highlighter even, because you can put it in your foundation, you can put it on as primer, you can put it on your body. I guess it is a pretty great thing, but if you're not a glitter person, this probably won't be your absolutely totally favorite thing. I'm definitely going to keep playing it with though and give it a chance because I really liked the custom enhancer drops, and I also love CoverFX primers. This will be interesting, something to keep working on. Alright, the last thing we have in the box. This is the Ace Beauty palette, and I wore this today, and I showed my friend Kate, and she was like, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. I love this sleeve because I will probably put this over it in my purse to kind of protect it and keep the packaging really pretty. It's like a matte finish with this very nice shiny design. It's so pretty. Nice sleek back. It doesn't have a mirror, but it does have these really pretty designs and these incredible colors, and they're very, very pigmented. This is called the Ace Beauty Grandoise. How do you say that? This French? Grandoise palette? Shoot, man. I should figure that out. Okay, so I'm going to swatch these for you. We have these beautiful, beautiful shades. We've got, I'll do the mattes first. Oh my gosh, my hand is so glittery. we'll do the mattes on this side. So this is going to be patchouli, hopefully I say these right, clove, poppy, and cinnamon, or cinnamon. Okay, so these are the colors. This one right here, this is poppy. This one, I'm not trying to flip you off. This is clove. This one, on my lovely little crooked finger, is patchouli. And this one is cinnamon. And I love these shades. And look at this pigment. This is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. These look so good. Can you see how great those are? These shimmer shades. I'm just going to do it the glitter side. We've got Myrtle, Jasmine, Rose, and Primrose. Like Primrose off of the Hunger Games. So there are these shades. We've got, hopefully this focuses, this one right here. This is Jasmine. This, was that the pinky one? This one is Myrtle. This one is Rose, and this one is Primrose. And these are very foiled, very beautiful shades. We'll swatch them on this hand. Ignore the glitter that's on my hand from the drops. Now look at that. What? Hopefully you can see how foiled those are. That's gorgeous. Look at that pigment. That's insane. And they lasted really well today. I mean, my eyeshadow is like, it's starting to get bad. Like I'm starting to crease a little bit right here. And maybe just a little bit here. But it is still pretty good looking for the end of the day. Quite shocking, considering it is 8:52. Is it 8:52? I can't remember if I synced this right. Pretty sure it's 8:52. The Ace Beauty palette retails for $24.99, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandoise palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. They did blend really beautifully, actually. I was noticing that because I put, let's see, I did the transition shade with this light color right here, and then I put this one into the outer third and then a little bit into the transition, and then I did this one in just a little bit of the outer, just like right here and a little bit of a diagonal, and they blended so well together. Like I did do a little buffing with my Alamar Cosmetics brush, but they blended very beautifully. I've never even heard of Ace Beauty. So, good job. You got the great job on this palette. I'll be taking that on my trip and probably doing it tomorrow. Make sure to stay tuned. I'll be doing my giveaway as soon as I get 100 subscribers, and I'm going to be adding to that giveaway as I can, and I'll be giving that to one of my 100 subscribers. Right now I got 23, so I still got a ways to go. Bye guys. There's music jamming out there. Am I even in focus? Alright, what else do I need to say?